This Volvo truck is one of the reasons behind the Volvo Group's highly successful participation in the WWF Climate Savers program. It runs on methane diesel and is part of a field test in Sweden. The Volvo Group was the first vehicle manufacturer in the world to be approved by the Climate Savers program in 2009. As part of the project, Volvo undertook to reduce its lifetime emissions of CO2 from products manufactured between 2009 and 2014 by 30 million tonnes. The Volvo Group will also reduce CO2 emissions from its production plants by 12% and offer a truck that runs on renewable gas.
This is not at all a walk in the park. We have to strengthen ourselves. We have to make sure we continue to put focus. But that's also one of the advantages being in a program like this. It's easy to communicate to our employees. Everyone takes it very seriously. That means also that everyone puts a little bit extra effort into achieving the targets.
Everything that the Volvo Group is doing as part of the Climate Savers program is overseen by independent technical experts. In order to reach the targets, a lot of emphasis has been put on how the Volvo Group can further develop its production sites in order to reduce carbon emissions from production. On the product side, the Volvo Group continues to implement the latest technology in fuel savings, while at the same time developing new technology in the fields of hybrid and electric drive, as well as alternative fuels. All this, in combination, shows clearly that the group is moving in the right direction.
Volvo has just gone through a really strict external audit to see if it's keeping the promises it's made to us and to Climate Savers, and we're happy to see that that's the case. WWF, as with all of its corporate partners, has a challenge relationship with Volvo. So we want to challenge Volvo to do its part and to be a leader in trying to address emissions from the transport sector. And that has worked very well so far. It's been a constructive and challenging relationship.
As a consequence of this partnership, Volvo will also produce a truck prototype with 20% lower fuel consumption than the equivalent 2008 truck model. This is a challenge that is prompting the Volvo Group to utilize its global resources as a means of reaching the target.
We are focusing on 3 different prototypes, one in US, one in Sweden and one in France. And we are looking at a number of technologies from the conventional engine efficiency to aerodynamics, to rolling resistance and to engine recovery. With these technologies in combination, we will exceed the targets.
In order to realize its aim of becoming the world leader in sustainable transport solutions, the Volvo Group needs to work together with many different stakeholders in society. Among them, non-governmental organizations, such as the WWF.
I regard the WWF as a very, very good organization. It has a brilliant brand, and it's also amazing to see how 5,000 people organization can create a brand that is so strong and that also have such an impact all around the globe. And we are very proud to be a part of that and also do our part in the Climate Saver program.
And besides the environmental benefits of participating in Climate Savers, there is also an upside from a business perspective. Tough targets on CO2 reduction mean more fuel-efficient products, which of course is beneficial to the customer.
Being part of a program like this means that our customers can feel confident that they're doing business with a company that takes the climate changes seriously and really take a stand that we want to do something. We recognize that we're part of the problem, but we have committed ourselves also to be a part of the solution.